Hey, what's up guys, this is Liberty Tech here, back with another video, and this particular video is another, of course, unboxing, but this particular product is for my wife as she tries to, do voiceovers for her real estate channel, which I'll leave a link down below if you want to check that out. So here is the Siren Mini by Razer, as you can see there, very compact mic. This is usually made for streaming, but you can again also use it for voiceovers for your videos. And she saw this on one of the YouTube channels she was checking out and decided to get one. So Clarity Made Compact. So we're going to quickly unbox this. First of all, very nice packaging. I love the Razer colors. Let's go ahead and cut this at the bottom here. And so we have our typical papers in here. This looks to be the stand for the mic itself. There you go. Nice quality, soft bottom, so you don't have to worry about this scratching up your desk. And then we have the mic itself. There we go. Very lightweight. What else comes in here? We have the power source, which is micro USB, and very nice touch of green inside there to go with the Razer theme. And this is again to screw into the stand to prop the mic. Anything else that I'm missing? Nope, that is it. So I'll put that off to the side. So what you're going to do is just screw this on first. You are able to adjust and move it. And then you're gonna plug this right in. Well, not literally plug it in, but screw it on top of this one. Make sure that it's nice and secure. There you have it, and then of course you have your location for the micro USB. Let me go ahead and zoom in so you guys can get a better look. There you go. So yep, and a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo on the back of the mic that nobody really reads. So that will do it for my unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link down below for this product if you're into, whether it's streaming or doing voiceovers for your YouTube channel, or it doesn't have to be YouTube. But yeah, I'll leave a link down below. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. More videos to come. Peace out.